Hi guys, good morning, good evening, good noon everyone. This time is aalis kami, lalabas kami para magla-lunch kasi di namin namalayan na tanghali na pala and hindi kami nakapagluto kaya we decided na lalabas na lang at doon na lang kami magla-lunch. And yung restaurant is medyo malapit lang din sa amin. So when we get there guys, medyo konti lang kami no kasi medyo maaga pa kami diyan. And nag-order lang ako ng medyo fries lang or something ganun kasi hindi available yung soup na gusto ko. And that's it guys, thank you.